Hello all, this video is about to enable web print for your PaperCut MF application. First of all, navigate to the PaperCut application server in your browser and then log in with your admin credentials. If you have any administrator account, please do not use that. By default, we will get an admin account with the username ADMIN. So please do log in with admin account, which will be created by default while installing PaperCut MF. So use the admin and password to log into the application. Once you log in, please go down to the Options tab. Now go to Mobile and BYOD. Scroll down. There you can see Enable Web Print. After checking the checkbox, the ones you see in the green color icon is where the web print server is running and is active. But the orange one above, the icon in the orange displays or indicates that the server is not active or the web print server is stopped. Now scroll down to the bottom of the page and click on Apply. Now we will see how to give prints through the web print. So for that, please open the browser and navigate to the same URL, but now we need to log in with the user account so that we will be able to upload the docs to web print. So this is the location where my application server was set up, and now I am going to log in with one of the users in the PaperCut. After I log in, I see a web print option or web print tab in the bottom of the menu, and there I click to submit a print job. Now here I can set the number of copies that I'm copies to make that I'm going to upload the document. And here you can simply click on the button and select the files from the uploader window, or you can directly drag the document into the window. Once you drag the document, the box will be highlighted with the green color and then release. Now all you need to do is to click on Upload and Complete. Once we click on Upload, that will be showing as submitting code in progress. Now the status becomes the rendering job, and next, according to your configuration, either it will be printed or will be held in the queue. If it is held and you want to print it from then and there, then go to Jobs Pending Release tab, and if you want to print the job, just click on Print or else click on Cancel. This is how web print works. Thank you.